Question number 7 says that a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meters and 4 meters respectively, and the slant height of the top, which is a conical top, is 2.8 meters, we have to find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also, we have to find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. They've also given us a note saying that the base of the tent will not be covered with canvas. So we can create the figure of the tent as per the given information, and it will look like this. Here we know that the height of the cylindrical part is 2.1 meters. The diameter of the cylindrical part is 4 meters, and the slant height of the conical top is 2.8 meters. Now, from the given figure, it's clear that the diameter of the cylindrical part is equal to the diameter of the conical part, as the cylindrical part is surmounted by the conical part. So what we can write is the diameter, which is same for both the cylinder and the conical top, equals 4 meters. Therefore, the radius, which is half the diameter, will be equal to 2 meters. The radius for both the cylindrical part and the conical part will remain same. Now, since it's given that the base of the tent will not be covered by the canvas, then we will not include the base area into the total surface area that we will be calculating. So visually, the surface area of the tent will then include the curved surface area of the cylinder and the curved surface area of the cone. So by that information, we can write that the surface area which is to be calculated for the given tent equals curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of the cylinder. We know the formulas to find the curved surface area of cone and of cylinder. So let's write that. The curved surface area of cone can be found by making use of the formula pi RL, and the curved surface area of cylinder can be found by making use of the formula 2 pi RH. We can take pi r common. We'll be left with L plus 2H inside the brackets. Now let's substitute the values. We write 22 by 7 times 2. L is 2.8 plus 2 times height. Height is 2.1 meters. So when multiplied with 2 will give us 4.2. So we can further calculate it as 44 by 7 times 2.8 plus 4.2 will give us 7. So 7 and 7 gets cancelled. We get the surface area of the tent to be equal to 44 meters square. Now this is the answer for the first part. The next part is to calculate the cost of the canvas of the tent. So we write that cost of the canvas used to make the tent will be equal to the area of the canvas which is made into use times the rate at which it has been sold. So the area that we used of the canvas is 44 meters square as we have just calculated, and the rate is 500 per meter square, rupees 500 per meter square. So on calculation, we'll get the answer as rupees 22,000, which is the cost of the canvas that was used to make the tent.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.